In this video, we are going to show you how to start dropshipping the easy and straightforward way. What I mean by that is you will not waste your time searching for products or trying to figure out how to promote them. We will guide you through finding winning products, and we will reveal how to get an ad personalized for the product that you have chosen. Basically, you are getting the full package. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the world of make money online. In the realm of dropshipping, finding the right product is the heartbeat of success. It's not just about locating any item, it's about identifying a winning product with high demand. Equally crucial is the art of marketing. How you present and promote your product defines your success. These steps, finding and marketing, are the dynamic duo that can make or break your dropshipping venture. Get them right and you're on the fast track to a lucrative online business.
Oh, absolutely. You hit the nail on the head. All right, let me take it from here and show you one of the very helpful tools when it comes to finding products to sell. This tool really gives you some valuable insights to help you find the best products to sell and start your dropshipping journey the right way. Click the link in the description to create an account and follow along with me. When you first log in, your dashboard will look something like this. And this platform is called AmplyCash, as you can see. It will give you a wealth of information. You can check them out. But for now, I will just give you a quick walkthrough to get a better idea about this platform. First of all, I am in the marketplace, and this is one of the most important sections. Right here is where you will be searching for the best products that you can sell right now. What I like is it's already suggesting me the best options because when you are searching for a winning product, it needs to be new, meaning there is not much competition, and it's trending, which means it has proven that it's working. And people are selling it and making a substantial profit. So, just by logging in for the first time, it's already throwing some killer suggestions my way. And as I said, when you're on the prowl for that winning product, it's gotta be fresh, you know? Minimal competition and totally trending. That's the secret sauce. Again, I will not cover all the tools and features in this video, but I will cover the most important and essential ones. The first thing that you want to choose is the product category. From here, you can choose the product category. Click right here, and you can deselect all of the choices by clicking here. For example, I will choose toys and games, and also arts, crafts, and sewing. And click Apply. I can see that the top product categories include musical instruments and books, so let me go back and choose these as well and click Apply. Right here, you can specify the keyword. You can also hover over the question mark to understand what the section is about. And right here, you can set the minimum and the maximum price. For example, let's choose products between $10 and $50. To go more specific about your selection and get the most of this tool, you can click on More Filters, and it will extend the selection options. For example, from here, you can specify the keywords that you want to exclude from the search. Of course, you don't need to specify all the options here, but you can specify the important ones, like the number of reviews. Let's go with 50 reviews. That should be enough for you to get a better idea about the opinions of the customers. One thing I need to mention here is you can just specify the minimum number. For example, in this case, I am specifying the number of reviews to be at least 50 reviews. The same thing can be applied to the price and the other filters. Right here, you can specify the estimated monthly sales. For example, you can set it to at least 100 sales monthly. From here, you can choose the seller type. Let's choose Amazon and feel free to explore the other filters. Right now, I will just select the other essential filter, which is the rating, and choose products that have a rating range from 3 to 5 stars. By hovering over the question mark, you can see that this is the range you better go with. As mentioned, you can check the other filters too. Also, another thing is you can save these filters. To save these search filters, you can click this button. For now, I'll just click on Find Products. AmplyCash will provide you with a bunch of products based on our research. From here, you can see the product info such as the category, subcategory, ranking, estimated sales, estimated revenue, price, and net profit for every sale, and so on. For example, this product's estimated revenue is over a whopping $260,000. I mean, most of us don't even know what this product is. This is a wax to create candles, a candle-making wax kit. Maybe some of you are familiar with this product, but I am pretty sure only a few know that people are making over $260,000 per month selling it. So if that surprised you, let me show you some of the fastest ways to discover new products. I will go to the product selection, and from here, you will find a couple of choices. The two in the middle are my recommendation for you. If you are just starting out, this one is for you. If you have a small budget and want to start with dropshipping, you can start with low-cost items. The second one is to find new trending products with growing demand and low competition. Let me click on that. And as you can see, it always gives you the option to add more filters, but let's just proceed with the overall choice that we selected. And it will display the results for new products with growing demand and low competition. Another option is you can track this product from here, and you will find it in the product tracker section. Also, you can click here to find a supplier from Alibaba so you can add it to your store. I hope I was able to give you a clear idea about this tool and how you can use it to find good products to sell. We can talk more about this tool in future videos, so just check the description as we will provide all the resources there. Now that you know how to find a good product to sell, the next important step is creating an ad to promote it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. As I told you guys in this video, you are going to get the whole package as usual. One of the most crucial aspects of dropshipping is marketing. Even if you have the best product, you still need to promote it effectively to make sales. And winning ads are often the key to success. When you find a winning ad, it means you've discovered your own blue ocean. And effective ads can be successful either organically or paid on Facebook or TikTok. With that said, I'm going to introduce you to a platform that can help you create these winning ads. I'm talking about this website called Viral Ecom Ads. Let me break it down for you real quick. The layout is straightforward. At the top, you have all the types of services they offer, including video ads, user-generated content ads, animation ads, and more. And right here, you can join the VIP club to access exclusive benefits. So to get a better idea of what each ad category entails, click on the downward arrow next to it and you'll find the examples ads section. You can open these examples in new tabs and explore to see if they align with what you're looking for. When you decide the offer you want to go with, simply click the downward arrow of the ad category you've chosen, then click Video Ad Submission Form. And then you can fill up the form and submit it. And I appreciate how they're clear about what they do, as you can see in this line. They search for video clips online related to the product, and then they edit these clips and provide you with an effective sales copy, which is also a very important component in the ad. With their experience, they'll create a stunning video ad for your product. You can always review the examples to get an idea of their work, as I mentioned. Another thing, they offer a variety of packages. Let me show you. If you go to the Video Ad Packages tab, you can see the pricing for each package. For example, for $40, you can get a single ad. But here's where it gets interesting. In the split testing video ad package, priced at $60, you can get up to 4 ad variations for one product. And what's even better is that you can become a VIP member and enjoy a generous 75% discount. For example, if you click here, you'll see it says 75% off and 24-hour delivery. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that in the VIP members area, you can get 4 split ads for just $15 instead of paying $40 for just one ad. Now that's what I call a VIP club. So, your role is simple. Find a product, as we showed you in the beginning of the video, and we'll provide more strategies in upcoming videos. Choose the ad category you want to create and submit your form to them. They'll take care of the rest. Create a video with sales copy that's ready to be posted on social media. It's that simple. I hope this gives you a clear idea of how you can get your video ad up and running. If you have a question, or if you'd like me to delve deeper into viral e-com ads in future videos, please let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.